your boy Diddy Bo, right? You understand me? I'm on here today. Talk about Lil Boosie. You feel me? I was a real nigga in the industry, man. And I hate to see, I'm saying, niggas like Hilla Moore, take a real rapper off the street. It's crazy because all he doing is rapping about some real shit. You don't get too many niggas like that, you feel me, in the game. You know what I'm saying? To come out and release what they feel, you know what I'm saying? Like he said, you feel me? What the rappers say nowadays is just to get publicity. You know what I'm saying? Everybody like to hear guns and booty shaking, and whether they real or whether they not, you know what I'm saying? Some rappers don't talk about it like that, you know what I'm saying? Some rappers don't express their shit like that, you feel me? Some lie, some keep it real, but my nigga was Trill, you feel me? And that's why he fuck with Trill Entertainment. You feel me? Lil Webby, all you down south, real rappers out there, you feel me? I'm Diddy Bo, from Cali, you know what I'm saying? Oakland to be exact. And I smoke big too, and I rap too. After I get this little shit off my chest that I gotta, you know what I'm saying, say for my boy, I'm gonna play a song, some real shit too, you know what I'm saying? It's a little banging beat, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, people like what they hear. But Lil Boosie, man, we gonna miss you, man, for real, man. Like, we gonna truly miss you out here. You feel me? You're a real rapper, you feel me? We the same age, you know what I'm saying? I'm 20, about to be 27 next year. But I respect you, bruh. Like, to the heartbeat, my nigga. And fuck the DA in Louisiana. That's how I feel. Fuck the DA in Louisiana. What y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna make a song next, y'all gonna, 10 days after that, you know what I'm saying, Hilla Moore, you gonna put a case on me? You feel me? Because I say, how you gonna do that man like that? You feel me? I heard the song. He didn't direct nothing directly, like, made it to where you want to put a case on him or nothing like that. You feel what I'm saying? It's a nice chopper. but anyway, you mad because he got Louisiana popping, Hilla Moore? Let me know what's going on. He got it popping down in the South. You don't like him. You've been taking away niggas for a decade, probably. Maybe you is racist. Maybe you ain't. But don't mess up that man life. That man got 7 kids, man, and he doing what he's supposed to be doing as a father figure. You feel me? Helping those out who need help. You feel me? And you take it all away from him because you want to put a case on it because you don't like the way he talked about the DA. Well, if I talk about the DA, y'all gonna put a case on me. I'm just keeping it real. It's America. You feel me? And I do respect to your daughter. You feel me? If you do happen to watch this, my nigga, I do respect your seed, bruh. You feel me? The daughter of the king and the queen. She nice for that one. You feel me, little mama? If you hear me, you nice for that one. I like that. I respect that, daughter of the king and the queen. And you tend to be spitting like that. You got lyrics. You feel me? Hope the DA don't take that away from you. You feel me? When you get older. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. You feel me? This man got a seed, got a family. How y'all doing, fam bam? How y'all doing, Louisiana? You feel me out there? Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, when I come out, got my mixtape going and everything, that, I can share that same love, you feel me, that Boosie was sharing. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's respect, you know what I'm saying? A real nigga, people real nigga. Like, I smoke big all day, feel me, I Drake, I show roots in most of my videos, so what?